Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok video using Capcut. First, open Capcut. So if you don't have Capcut yet, you can download it on either App Store or Play Store. We actually have a tutorial for that. You just need to search it. So in my case, since I have already the Capcut, let me go to the application. Here it is. And then what you need to do is to tap on New Project. Once you're on New Project, you may choose any videos in here. You can use stock videos, you can use videos from your phone, you can use photos. Let's say we're going to edit this photo. So here you can put audio on it, you can do voiceover, you can add effect sounds, stickers, overlay, effects, filters. You can do background change and whatnot. And then once you're done, what you need to do is to tap the arrow pointing up on the upper right part of your screen. It says exporting, and then you'll see an option in here, share to TikTok. Tap on share to TikTok. Then you'll have a prompt that Capcut wants to open TikTok. So open. And then tap next. And then go ahead and post your edited video using Capcut. And that's how to edit video on Capcut and uploading it on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.